ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, is a condition that makes it hard for kids to focus, sit still, and control their impulses. If you think your child might have ADHD, here are some signs to look for. Difficulty paying attention. If your child has trouble focusing in class or at home, it might be a sign. They may daydream, forget things, or have trouble finishing tasks. Impulsive behavior. ADHD makes it hard for kids to think before they act. They might interrupt people, say things before the question is finished, or have trouble waiting their turn. Easily distracted. ADHD kids get distracted easily. It's tough for them to stay focused on homework or conversations because they notice everything around them. Difficulty with instructions. Kids with ADHD might struggle to follow directions. They might forget steps or make mistakes because they didn't pay attention. Risk-taking behaviors. Some kids with ADHD do things without thinking about the dangers. They might not worry about safety and can act without considering the risks. Tantrums and acting out. If your child often has tantrums or causes trouble, it could be a sign of ADHD. Some kids may also have other issues like oppositional defiant disorder. Learning challenges. ADHD can come with other learning problems like difficulty reading or speaking. Kids might also have trouble with social skills, which can affect their friendships. Anxiety or depression. Many kids with ADHD also feel anxious or sad, but sometimes this gets overlooked because of their behavior. Family history. ADHD runs in families. If other family members have it, your child might have it too. ADHD can affect schoolwork and friendships, but with the right support, your child can do well. If you're worried, talking to a doctor can help you find the best way to support your child.